Hi there, it's David WTI. And if you are looking for ways to get rid of your closet frustration and getting things organized in a beautiful and very practical way, this FeeraHozer system is great for you. I absolutely love these hangers. They are super easy to put together. Every package comes as a 2-pack. And then you just have to adjust these rings here. So this assures that your hanger is ready like that. And these won't slide away. And then the fun begins. You can just organize everything into these hangers. I found it useful for little Turkish towels, scarves, pants. We all have those pants that we don't want to just put on a shelf, but we want them to stay nice. So I did that both to my pants and for my husband's pants. And you have everything laid here nicely. So when you need to work with something, for example, if you're doing your laundry or ironing, you have everything here. And then when it's time to put them back together, you just do like that. And each package of 2 of these comes also with little cloth clips. So it's easy to ensure everything stays on its place. So no more sliding pants all over your closet floor. I absolutely love fabulous solutions like this into my wardrobe. And that is my point of view.